Hey everyone, and welcome to Stuff Moms Have Time For. This video is going to be about Super Bowl appetizers. We aren't having a huge party this year, but we are having some family over on Sunday, so I decided to try to do Super Bowl inspired appetizers because I like to snack during football games rather than having a big sit down meal. So the two appetizers I'm doing today are going to be a play on a potato skin, and then the other one is gonna be an Asian inspired wing. So let's get started on these two recipes. I hope you guys enjoy them. So the first appetizer I'm gonna show you guys how to make are the potato skins. All you really need are any kind of potatoes. I just had red potatoes, so that's what I chose to use. You need sour cream, cheddar cheese, chives, salt, pepper, garlic, and chili powder. I'm also going to be using bacon, and I'm going to be baking my bacon instead of frying it because I feel like it just holds the flavor better. So I just took a couple strips of bacon and then I popped that into the oven, and I washed my potatoes really well. Then I'm going to cut the potatoes in half and then also quarter them. Once I have all my potatoes cut, I'm just going to remove the meat of the potato and set that in a separate bowl, and then put each of the potato skins flat in a baking tray. I'm going to season the potatoes with salt, pepper, garlic, and chili powder, just making sure everything is evenly spread throughout. And then I'm going to add a little bit of cheddar cheese to each potato. You can kind of add however much you want depending on your love of cheese. And once all of your potato skins are full of cheese, you're going to pop that in the oven. And I put that in there at 350 as well. I let my bacon cool down, and then I crumbled it and set that aside in a separate bowl. And then I cut up all the little chives I was going to use to garnish my potatoes. After about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on your oven and how thick the potatoes are, you're going to pull them out, put sour cream, chives, and bacon on all the little wedges. And you can put as much or as little as you'd like, or whatever other toppings that you'd prefer if there's something else you want to add to it and be creative. They turned out really delicious. I really like them, and I will be making them on Super Bowl Sunday. The second one is the wings, and I'm going to be using Worcestershire sauce, a teriyaki sauce, hoisin sauce, garlic, salt, pepper, and also some diced onions. So I just put a little of olive oil in my Dutch oven, heated that up, and then I'm just going to let the onions cook off to get some extra flavor. Then I added some salt, pepper, and garlic to the onions and let them cook down. I'm adding about a quarter cup of Worcestershire sauce, and then about a half a cup of teriyaki sauce. I could not get that to focus, but I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. Then I'm just going to mix that all up and heat it, and then I'm going to add my chicken wings directly to the sauce. Then just stir everything into the sauce, make sure the wings are fully covered, and then reduce your heat to 250 and pop that into the oven. Now I cooked them for 2 hours and I stirred it about every 30 minutes. And then I just reduced the sauce and I plated the chicken wings. These were really delicious as well. I hope you guys give them a try. And that's it. They were two really simple Super Bowl appetizers. If you guys decide to make these, please leave me a comment below so I know. You can always share pictures with me on Instagram as well. I will leave that in the description box. Also, if you are new here, I would love you to stick around and subscribe. I make recipe videos, DIY, wellness, and cocktails every week. So please hit the subscribe button if you're interested in those kind of videos, and I will see you guys next time.